we're assisting Malley with their annual inventory count. So we are responsible for counting certain areas, which helps them out. There's about $3 million worth of inventory that needs to be counted. So I think they need the help, and I'm happy to do it.
At Malley Industries, we're a manufacturer of specialty vehicles. So we produce ambulances for, especially New Brunswick, but all over Canada and the US. We produce vehicles for people in wheelchairs, so individual use, as well as things like special care homes and transit services. And we have a division that manufactures plastic components. It's a terrific program that I mean we've used specifically for projects like our annual inventory count, where we need to bring a lot of people on board for a short period of time. The experience we've had over the past few years with the retiree program has been nothing but positive. In our particular case, it's allowed us to keep working while also doing our inventory count, which historically has been very disruptive.